This conference will now be recorded.
Hello friends, and once again welcome to bispsolutions.com. My name is Amit, and today I'm going to show you how you can write and execute on-demand rule in HFM financial management. So this is an hands-on example. So prior to 11.124, your all calculation and rule are part of your one rule file, and it wasn't possible for you to run an individual rule. So your rule file consists of consolidation, calculation, currency, input, no input, transaction. But with 11.124, it is possible to create an on-demand rule and associate data form. So it is basically a subset of the entire rule, which you can run by associating to an individual data form. So let's see how it works. So in today's example, I am using a very basic scenario. Let's start understanding with our scenario. So I have got a commission which is to be calculated based on sales. So my commission is 10% of my sales. So my account dimension consists of sales and commission. Okay, let me write the rule. You can write rule into any text editor. I'm using Notepad. And in order to write on demand rule, you should use a prefix called on demand underscore name of the rule. So I use it cal commission. Cal commission, you can use any name and sub. And because I'm going to run the commission based on rate, so I'm going to declare a variable called var commission rate. And I want this commission to be calculated exclusively for actual. I use hs.member scenario.member equals to actual. Then write an expression over here. Expression is simple, hs.expression. I'm going to calculate commission, which is 10% of my sales. So sales multiplied by 10%. So 10% I would use as a variable. 10% is 0.1, right? So multiply ampersand name of my variable. Because you use variable, therefore you should prefix with ampersand. Had it been constant, you can directly write within double quotes. This is done. Let's save this. I save this call calc rule.rle extension. My rule file got ready. Now the next step, you need to upload this rule in your application. So go to application element, go to your rule section, reset, browse it, point to the rule which I just now created, cal commission, and load it. Look at the log file for any potential error. I've got 0 error, 0 warning. This is done successfully. Now you need to associate with data form. So for the sake of testing, I already created one basic data form which consists of sales and commission. Open this form into edit mode. On the right side, you see there's an option called on demand rule. Point to these 3 rows and you see on demand rule is listed over here. Click on this rule and click on save. That's it. Put into run mode, put your data form into run mode, and you can put sales value. I'm going to put sales as 5,000. Save this number, and there's a green check mark or arrow appears. You can click on this execute arrow. You can see the list of on-demand rule, cal commission. Click on this, and this is 10%. So this is your rule, and this is your output. A fairly straightforward 10% commission based on sales. So that's it for today. Please stay tuned with our YouTube channel, and you have a lot of new updated videos on Oracle EPM solution stack. Thank you.